Hi Jada. Just looking at your files. I'm missing the fonts and the links. So when you do your file package, just make sure that you have the right checkbox checked. We do go over that in the business card demo. You might have to scrub through to get that at the end, but I'm liking this. Part of the reason why I might not have any of your links is because you don't have any links. I think you've copied everything over directly from Illustrator. But I should have at least fonts. I would say, I think you have a good font pair on the back here. What's this? Gothic. And I like this little guy down here. I would maybe move him away from the edges even further, just a couple, making sure these spaces are similar, but and I would probably, is this the same? Okay, it is. I would say tell your company story, maybe, like something like that, and maybe like capitalize these. Maybe something like that. And then if we push W, you are bringing everything to the bleed line, so that's good. There's something here, I'm not quite sure what it is, but I can delete that. Let's see how big these are. This is 6 points. That's really little for text. I would say let's just you could just click and drag over all of this and then push shift to unselect the cat and use the free transform tool here and push shift and grab from this area and just bring everything up like substantially more. And you can always reposition some of this stuff, further down if you wanted to. Like if you want to move all this down. Oops, I didn't get those icons selected. But yeah, that's what I would do. Because that needs to be bigger. 7 points is a lot better. I would actually say let's go up to 8 on all of these. So you might need to go in and, I don't know, you have 3 different text boxes, which is fine, but we just need to just bring them up a little bit so that we can get to the other one. Something like that. And then save that. When you do your file package, just make sure file package, save it. I'm going to just put it inside there, but just make sure that you have your links, fonts, links. You want this one checked and this one checked, and you want high quality print. You don't need this one, or this one checked, and then push package. And that will create a package folder with the fonts in it. And you don't have any links, so that's fine. Everything's been copied over from Illustrator. Maybe even bringing this down in size just slightly away from the edge there because it is a little close. You can also just resize the whole logo if you need to, so that you're not just changing the proportion of the cat compared to the logo, unless you think it doesn't matter, which it might not. And this could even be like a bold if there's no bold, so that's okay. Yeah, so I think something like that is going to look good, and yeah, great job.